Which of the following are sinusoidal functions? Now, this is 3.5, and you were probably taught that a sinusoidal function is something in this form. Y equals A, which A is the amplitude, sine times B, which is the frequency. If you haven't learned frequency, you will, minus C, which is a phase shift, plus D, which is a vertical shift. Okay, so basically, if you can write it out like this, it's a sinusoidal function. Now, if you look at 2 sine theta is just that, where A is 2 and, B and C or D, they don't really matter. So 1 is an option. What you don't see is sine being in the denominator. Okay, this will not give you a regular old sinusoidal function that looks like this. So not 2. 3 technically is because cosine is sinusoidal. And basically 4 here is the same thing as 1. It's just you can write this out as 1/2 sine theta. So everything here except for 2 is good to go for sinusoidal functions.